Okay, we are live. We are live. Let me see. Post on my story that we're live. Let's make some money. Money, 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 money. Okay, let me pull up the chat. Yo, why is it in the chat chatting? Okay, first of all, we gotta go to the 15. Okay, we are bumping. Market's about to open in like a minute. There we go. Now I can hear you guys, see you guys. Good morning, everybody. We are here. As you guys can tell, we are back trading the Nasdaq. We have a 10 a.m. folder that we have to watch out for. That's good. At least we have some sort of news. And yeah, I'm targeting this main gap right up here for a potential long entry towards highs. Yet again, we are still in that gap or in that range from the 1,000-point candle, whatever. Where is it? Hold on. Wait, are we past it? Hold on. Oh my God. We're not in that range anymore. We just broke past it. Let's go. Okay. That is amazing news. Where was that candle? We're this right here. Okay, we're past the range. We fill that gap. Okay. But yet again, any short setup around here, I have nothing. So, morning. I made a market open by hair. What up, Jonah? Yo, good morning. What's up, Alex? Okay, guys. So obviously, we will have to see some sort of buy structure first. Let's say we take out these highs, and then we come down to take out these lows. Then I'll be able to take shorts. Apart from that, I cannot take shorts. I just can't. So, bro, fill the gap. Yesterday I sent the trade to you. Oh yeah, no, because usually after I'm done trading, I just close the charts and call it a day. So I didn't know until right now. That's good to know. Let's see what we end up doing here. We have this 5-minute that we just formed. Mark this out. We also have this 5-minute right down here. If we respect these two, inverse this gap, this 1 minute, we can take an entry off of this. Aim for 60 points, which is right here. That'll be perfect for me. But yeah, guys, we have a lot. Yo, how we doing? What up, Ben? We got a lot of things doing. I mean, I got a lot to do today. Nasdaq 100 drops 10% from October high, set to enter correction. Yeah, of course we're going to correct. See if you take out this low. Yeah, ES pushing the lows. Yes, sir. Just took out London lows on on ES. What's the next level we can target on ES? Let's see. Dude, it's just like we haven't been in this range in so long. It will have to be this low right up here. I want us to take out at least these these lows. Same thing as 2 days ago and yesterday. I won't be surprised if we don't take out lows because ES already took them out. So SMT at lows, yep. So obviously we want to wait for the market to, you know, pick a direction. If it's to the downside, unfortunately, won't be able to take anything. And yeah. Oh, what did I just do? See if we take out these lows on NQ. All right, there goes London lows on NQ. If we continue on towards this low, just won't be able to get anything. All right. While the market is doing its thing, I'm gonna go grab my coffee. I will be back. We are back. We are back. Okay. Good morning. What up? What up? Purple category on connection was whack. Dude, am I still in? Uh-oh. My stream is lagging. That is no good. Uh-oh. So, okay, back. I think we're back. No. Bro, what is happening with my Wi-Fi? Uh-oh. That's no good. Are we back? I can't even tell. Oh, goddamn. Oh, my charts are gone. I think the Wi-Fi is Bro, what are we doing? Purple category official. Wait, I think we're back. Yo, can y'all hear me? Okay. So, my charts are not loading. My Wi-Fi is not working. That isn't that just so eventful? Okay, I think we're back. All right, yeah. All right. That was scary. Okay, perfect. Okay, we're back. Sorry about that. I don't know what happened. Anyways, yeah, so we took out these lows, started pumping up. Now we're just stagnant. I want us to. We can possibly take an entry off of this gap. It might just be a little early. We just have to see a lot of confirmation with ES in order for me to take this trade. So we do take this trade, for example. I'm not in a trade right now, but okay, can't have my stops at lower day, obviously. You might have to put it right here. Have my full TP around this high right up here. Yeah, okay. This could be the possible one-to-one we take, but have to wait for price to behave. That's some good coffee right there. Not to mention, we also have 10 a.m. news, so we can also just wait for that. All right, we're pumping up again. From this gap, all I want to see is a closure above, retest, and a continuation. So if you get that, I'll get my entry to get some longs going. Hopefully, it's in after 15 minutes. Because as we get closer and closer to 10 a.m., I do not want to take a trade. So I hope we just, just consolidate for the next 15 minutes, and then the move happens based off the news. Should be good. If you get this entry and there's like less than 10 minutes left, I don't think I'm gonna take this trade or this setup because news is happening. So I'll much rather be safe than get caught in a news candle. Not a big news, won't impact much. Still, I just like to be careful. You never know. There was a yellow folder that instantly hit me 70 points TP before. So since I've seen that, I'm like, yo, any news that happens around the time of my entry, I have to be careful. But I hope it doesn't impact much. You know, we naturally just get the entry and go from there. All right, we still got 15 minutes though. We think we can hit TP in 15 minutes? Because we're about to get this entry. This is what I'm looking at. Stops at this low. If we do get this entry. And shorts. Oh yeah. Why does this look so pixelated? Or is that just me? But why does my trading view look pixelated to me? Hold on, I'm gonna have to reset this. There you go, that's a lot better. Alright, well, if you get this retest and a closure above, I'll enter some longs. One thing we could just do is, if, you know, when news does come out, just put my stops to break even. I'm in longs break even already. Alright, I just set my limits for longs at 623. Let's see if you get filled. Got in at 602.50. Hell yeah. Bro's been in for a minute. Like I said, I like to wait for confirmations and stuff. Let's get tagged into this real quick. Come on, NQ. Still not in. It's a 51 point stop, so I mean, I can have my stops right here at this stop. At this, I'll leave it right here. 571 is my stop. All right, did we get filled? Nope, still not in. And we are. Go on. Oh, not in yet. Okay, so this trade just doesn't want to give me an entry. It looks like. If you break above these highs, I probably would just close. I'll cancel my limits. How much do you size on evals? On evals, I would size a lot heavier than I do. Right now, I'm trading 5 micros on these lightning funded accounts. Thankfully for me, I don't have to pass an eval on these accounts. But if I did have to, on like a 50K, I would do like a 1 mini, maybe 2, depending on how price is. But when you're already funded and you're on these lightning funded accounts, you know, you don't have to worry about passing an eval. Alright, are we going to get an entry here? What is ES doing? ES is also retracing. Alright, we just got in some longs, boys. We're in longs. TP's at 683.25. Stops at 571. My stops there. All right, you got my stops, my TP, everything set up. Hopefully, you know, I have my break even right here. Oh, there you go. Well, it looks like we're going straight to. Looks like we're going straight to stop loss. Wow. Okay. Let's see if we hold off here, or we might just get stopped out. Wow. The second I get my entry, just going straight to stop loss. Okay, just got stopped out there. Wow, that was quick. I'm down 540 on the day already. Wow, okay. I mean, I can't be mad. I got my entry and everything. Wow, okay, well, gotta wait for news now, right? It was a good trade. Just didn't work out. Hopefully news pushes us back up. If not, I mean, I'll probably just call it there. That's my first L on stream for this week. Let's see if you take out this previous low. You know. Dude, everybody seems to text me when I'm live. Yeah, refresh. Okay. Did we get stop hunted? Probably not. I think we're just gonna dump for a little bit more. But yeah, we are down $544 on these accounts today. Not how I wanted to start my Friday, but it's okay. We just failed to break up. I mean, we had the sweep. We had bullish confirmation. I did take the first inversion, and that's why I don't do it, but you know, we did it. Okay, we're just dumping. Holy. What is he guys doing? Yep, he is about to break towards. Break this low as well. And Q's already there. Yeah, I mean, below this level, just a lot of dead space for me, honestly. I kind of don't like trading this way because I legit cannot take shorts. There's no setup for me to take shorts. So. It was a nasty L. I don't think we saw any profits on that trade. That was just insane. Top step is lagging too. Looks like everything's lagging right now. It's okay. On the bright side, I was gonna have my stops at 66 points, so I would be down a lot more than I am right now. So at least that's good on that side. Okay, while we wait, we got what, 5 minutes till news? Yeah, bro, we're just dumping. We can't take anything around here. Might just have to end it 1L on the week. Nope, no E. Just wrong on the buys, I guess. I can't be mad at that. That's why we have stop losses, or else we would have had daily loss them, and that would have been even more of some damage. But yeah, I hope we come back up. If we don't, just end it 1L for the week. We're still up $1,300 on these accounts for the week, so I'll take that. Still one step back, low key. That's what it looks like. It feels like. But I mean, if I could try to get back to break even, I will. Oh, what up, Jonathan? How much did you make, buddy? I know you probably caught these shorts. Quite honestly, kind of upset with myself. Could have been up way more, but I got what I got, and I'm happy with it. Yeah, there's always two sides of the story. You see, I'm down $500 on the day. You're up, so you're doing better than me already. I just caught the wrong side, I guess. I was in longs, and yeah, we just started dumping. It's okay. 2 minutes of news, and then hopefully we get another entry. If we do, take another trade. Nah, don't worry. I was in longs too. Yeah. I can't, I had no, obviously, I told the stream if we started just pumping towards lows, I can't take anything because there's no setup for me. And that's exactly what we're doing right now. It just sucks watching price just go in one direction and you just can't take any of it. As much as I want to click that sell button, I can't. Order flow, man, gives you more confidence to hit that sell button. Yeah, but just off order flow, I can't take a trade. I still need to have my entry model, and right now there is nothing. But yeah, I mean, it would definitely help out. Just because price is moving just to the downside, I still need a good entry. Yeah, we're just super bearish. 10 a.m. news just came out. Okay, indecisive. I want to see what we do with this 1 minute. Yeah, more gaps along the way. So we will see. But I definitely want us to get away from these lows as much as possible before taking another entry. Same with ES. Could have been about 5K, give or take, using 1 or 2 minis, but now unlocked 5 minis. Oh boy. Be careful with those, bro. Hopefully by Wednesday, I'll be withdrawing 4K and then start loading on accounts on the firms. Yes, sir. Are you looking for longs here? Not currently. I'm still trying to see if market is ready to, you know, reverse, go towards the highs. If we're not fully ready yet, I'm not gonna take anything. If we are, I'll take some longs again. Hopefully this time, you know, we cast the right side. But just this one loss has been smaller than all of our wins this week, so it shouldn't affect us. But we will see. I give myself 2 trades, so this is my second trade if I do take it. And that is it. Either we come back to break even / TP, or we hit stop loss again. All right, Jonathan. I'll see you, bro. Have you ever had a salmon bagel? It's fire. All right. Let's see what we do around this 1 minute. If you continue going up, my entry will be around here. But if you don't continue on up, I won't be in any position actually. Alright, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to set alerts on ES when it breaks above 468. Same with NQ. When we're above 520. Actually, no, that's too. At this trend line. It's the previous low. And we're going to go play some Wordle. Okay, we got the O and the R. The R is either here, here, here. I think it might be in the last two columns. And it also has to have an O. I forgot about that part. We're still not bumping. Okay, this way we can get two R's out the way. This will tell me where the R is at. Okay, the R is over there. There has to be an O somewhere. It's not in the middle. I don't have any letters. Only have two letters. I miss anything? We took a loss, but right now we're just waiting. Ivory. Let me see. Bruh, this guy's. I don't know if you played it already, but. Oh, Alex, thank you. Yeah. So I mean, if you keep on dumping, I won't be able to take anything. I just hate being in a range this way, where I only have one direction that I can play. But yeah, that's just how the market has been moving. It's gonna correct itself. When it does, it needs to go towards here. I got in around 623 and got stopped too. When did we get in? Yeah, I got in 623.25. It was the same setup. It looked good on the 5 minute and everything. But yeah, we just got stopped out real fast. No biggie. Down about 544 today. But yeah, I'm gonna give this market another like 20 minutes. If something comes up, cool. If not, we'll end the week off 3 wins, 1 loss. Yeah, 3 wins, 1 loss. I'm up 1336 times 5. How much is that? I'm up about $6,600 on the week. Not bad. I will take it. But if there's a way we can make back our loss and some profit, I will take that as well. All right, we're pumping. Let's see if you got some. Yes, it's still not quite there yet, but entry would be around here, around 569. This is what I'm looking for, guys. A closure above this 1 minute gap. Probably have my stops at this low right up here. I mean, if he go all the way up here and we come back down, I mean, I don't know what to tell you. And we're just dumping back up. Like, if he break past these lows, bro, I'm calling it. Because we're just gonna probably just more than likely just keep on continuing down. Just nothing for me to take. Why not the CEO at the 5 minute at like 557? Let me see. What, this gap right up here? Let me see. I mean, yeah, we can honestly take this trade. Yeah. Yeah, honestly, yeah. The 1 minute looks, the 5 minute looks a lot better. Yeah, we'll do that. Thank you, chat. You guys are helping me out. We still need to get above though. Yeah, this could work. Boom, boom, bang. The video's in the drive. Check it when you got the chance. All right, let's see it. Let's see what he did. No splash. Yeah, it works. Just some calm. Now let's see if I can actually make some money. So I don't feel like a chud. All right, we're pumping. We are pumping. We're pumping. All right, I'll have my stops right here at this low. Obviously not in anything yet, but I'll move my stops to break even around here. And we just go from there. Why am I searching a break even? Let's see if you get the entry. ES has the same structure as NQ. We're also tapping into this 5-minute on ES. If we're over the 50% mark and we get a closure, my entry will be about 558.25. If you get this entry, this will be the last trade for today and for this week. Because I only give myself 2 trades. All right, let's see if we get a closure. Nope, didn't get the closure. Wow. We closed right on it. Yeah, no, we didn't get the closure above. Nothing yet, guys. Oh. And aren't we glad we're not in this trade? Because we would be down. So now that we got this dump out the way, now once we do get the closure, I'm gonna be more confident in this trade than ever. Okay, come on, NQ. Give me an entry, NQ. Still just waiting. All right. This might be the candle. This might be where we get entered. I'm gonna have a limit right here, right? Right. When we're crossing 557, and we can play some connections. All right, come Okay, is it just not gonna? Okay, maybe it's not. Maybe I shouldn't play it. We're getting closer to this entry. Okay, let's see if we get this entry. $557. Didn't get it there either. Wow, this is just like really playing with us. But once we go though, guys, we're going. Got 40 seconds. Surely this is the candle we get the entry. Surely. At 35 seconds. And we're just dumping, bro. This is the shit I talk about. I'm calling at 10:30. So if you don't get an entry, but in the next 8 minutes, I'll take my $500 loss and be done for the week. Because I don't want to look at this price at all. And we are not pumping at all. That would have been stopped. We would have gotten stopped again if we got in that trade. Kind of glad we didn't get in this trade. Actually, while we wait, I'm gonna... The 1 minute entry that I was looking at was... I think it was right here, right? Wait, where was the 1 minute entry I was looking at, guys? Was it here? I think it was here. We would have never gotten that either. Okay, yeah, we would, yeah. Today's just a day where I don't get an entry, I guess. And low-key, in this case, it kind of worked out for us because had I gotten this entry and we just dump, I would be really mad. Money toss. Let's send a snap to Gabe real quick. You said it's time for connections. Yeah, it was. But Wordle didn't want to, open up. Look at this. Okay, now it does. Okay, time for connections, guys, and then we get up out of here. This week honestly wasn't bad at all for me. Obviously I didn't want to take an L today. Just caught the wrong side of the price. Let's see what we could do with here. Turn signal, traffic cone. What is baggage claim? This is like airport. No. Turn signal and traffic cone, they go together. I just gotta find the other two. Alright, we seem to be bumping. Nope. That's not a category. Wedding reception. Dude, these don't make sense. Let me set another like alert. That way I don't miss anything. Wedding reception, monkey bars, basic facts. No. So how is turn signal and traffic cone 9 the same, like a category? That doesn't make sense to me. Okay, monkey bars, goldfish cracker, monarch butterfly. They all have like some sort of animal. We need a net. We need the Lorex. Is that it? No, bro. No way. I suck at this. Turn signal is in the purple category, and that category is whack. Just stay away from that one. Okay. Well, we still got monkey bars, monarch, goldfish cracker. We need one more in this. Think colors. Wait, think colors for which category? For this? I need one more. I know these three belong together. I need one more. Alright, yeah, we're just dumping. I'm not gonna take another trade. I don't think I am. What color is a goldfish? Yellow. Or like orange. Orangish, yellowish. Oh, wait. Hold on. What's another yellow? The turn signal. Wait, the turn signal. I'm thinking like a traffic cone, like a traffic light. Okay, traffic cone is orange. Goldfish is orange. A monkey's not orange. The Lorex is orange. Bro, what do you mean? I tried Lorex. Look at. Okay, you mean to tell me this guy isn't orange? Stay away from the turn signal. Okay, my bad. Goldfish, traffic cone, the Lorex. We need something else that's orange in here. Monarch butterflies. If this shit is orange. Okay, yeah. Okay, man. I'm just stupid. Alright, that's one. Things are orange. Okay. Baggage claim, ticket counter. Food. No. Yep. Okay. Okay. Here's what I'm going to do. I want to lock out. But just. Is there gonna be a move at the PM though? That's the one thing I'm looking for. Food court lip service. All required tickets. No, this guy just fucked me over. Okay, the airport terminal. Okay, I kind of, yeah. I wish I could do it again, but we can't. Alright, guys. But anyways, I really want us to get in some longs, man. I really want some longs. today's just not my day. I lose connections. I lose my trade. Have a good one, bros. I'm down $200 on the week. Hey, $200 is nothing compared to a dub that you get. All right, it's 10:30. Nothing's happening. If something does happen and we get some longs going, oh well. I'll be able to catch it next week. But yeah, guys. I will call it here. Go to this bad boy. We're down about. Let me see. This is how much we're down. 544 on the day. Let's look at this week. This week we're up about $1,400. We only took one loss, and that was today. This performance, honestly, is not bad at all. I know next week we're going to make back this loss, and we're going to come back and get a payout together on these accounts. But for now, as much as I hate to do it, it's the right thing to do. I'm locking myself out, and I'm calling it here. I hope you guys have a blessed week. Oh, I forgot to say, at 12:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I'm going on Tradeify TV today. So if you guys want to tune in, say what's up to your boy, Tradeify TV on YouTube. I will be there talking about this challenge, my journey, my strategy, and we're just going to have a good time. It's going to be for like an hour. So if you guys want to pop in there, say what's up, you're more than welcome to. And we are done trading for the week.